511. Here we are on the West Side Highway footpath. Winds have picked up a bit. Sea level still looks like it's dropping at this point, so we're getting some rain. We're a little wet now. We'll wait and see if there's anything more than this. So far, pretty tame. We're heading down to, there's, if you can see it, rising in the mist, the Freedom Fries Tower, replacement for the trade centers. It's pretty misty, so you can't really see it. And we'll stop here and pan around a bit. Get the full 360-degree view, of which there is not much to look at. Some bicyclists on the path, and one lone tourist walking up here on the boardwalk.